Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Technoc Reviews. Today, I'm going to show you Best Precision Screwdriver Kit Pro. Don't forget to activate the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. The 128-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Kit is a must-have tool set for anyone working on electronics or DIY projects. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this comprehensive kit includes 128 different bits, making it perfect for repairing everything from smartphones to laptops, cameras, and more. The precision tips allow for accurate work, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfort during extended use. Packaged in a sturdy, compact case, it's easy to organize and transport, keeping all tools securely in place. Whether you're a professional technician or a DIY enthusiast, this kit provides all the essential tools you need for precision repairs.